Most students preparing for the LanguageCert Academic Speaking Test make one dangerous mistake. They focus only on grammar and vocabulary, thinking that fancy English will guarantee a high score. But in the real exam, that's not how examiners think. In fact, the most important scoring factor is task fulfillment and communicative effect, which means how clearly and effectively you complete the task. So in this video, I'm going to share 10 powerful LanguageCert speaking hacks based on how the real exam is assessed in 2026. Hack 1. Always complete the task. The most important rule in the LanguageCert speaking test is task completion. If the prompt asks you to invite someone, suggest a time, suggest a place, and you forget one of those points, your score will drop immediately. Because task fulfillment carries extra weighting in the scoring system. So always answer every part of the prompt. Hack 2. Speak like a real person. Unlike many computer-based tests, LanguageCert speaking is conducted with a human interlocutor and recorded for a second examiner. This means examiners can easily detect memorized speeches, so your goal should be natural communication, not robotic memorization. Hack 3. Structure your answers clearly, even in short responses. Structure helps you score higher. Use a simple format, idea, explanation, example. For example, I think online learning is very beneficial because it allows students to study from anywhere. For instance, many international students can now attend lectures without relocating. Clear structure improves coherence, which is one of the scoring criteria. Hack 4. Expand your answers. Many students give short one-sentence answers, which limits their score. Examiners want to hear your ability to develop ideas. Instead of saying travel is important, say travel is important because it exposes people to new cultures and perspectives. For example, visiting different countries helps individuals understand global diversity. Longer, developed answers demonstrate vocabulary range and communication ability. Hack 5. Use linking words. Coherence is another key scoring factor. Simple linking phrases can improve your responses dramatically. First of all, in addition, for example, on the other hand, overall, these connectors help your speech sound organized and professional. Hack 6. Don't panic if you make a small mistake. Many students stop speaking when they make a small grammar error. But examiners evaluate overall fluency and communication, not perfection. If you make a mistake, simply correct yourself and continue speaking. This actually shows natural fluency. Hack 7. Use natural pronunciation and intonation. Pronunciation and fluency are important scoring categories in the speaking exam. You don't need a perfect accent, but you must speak clearly enough to be understood, with natural rhythm and stress. Avoid speaking too fast. Hack 8. Give balanced opinions in discussion questions. Don't just say this is good, explain why it is good. For example, public transportation is beneficial because it reduces traffic congestion and pollution in large cities. This shows critical thinking and language control. Hack 9. Use examples from real-life examples. Make your answers stronger. For instance, many universities now offer online degrees. For example, students in remote areas can complete full programs without moving to major cities. Examples demonstrate practical language use, which examiners value. Hack 10. Stay calm and engage with the examiner. Remember that the examiner is not trying to trick you. Their role is simply to guide the conversation and assess your communication skills. Treat the test like a normal conversation, not an interrogation. Confidence and natural interaction can significantly improve your speaking performance. The LanguageCert speaking exam is not about using the most complicated English. It's about communicating ideas clearly, completing the task properly, and speaking naturally. So before you walk into the LanguageCert exam, remember this one thing. You don't need perfect English to get a high score. But if you fail to communicate clearly and complete the task properly, even perfect grammar won't save your score. I am Malcolm. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.